Oh, come on. Come here. Come on, let's walk. Can you use just one hand? Good job. Good job. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Oh, let's look in your room. What's in your room? Come on. Keep walking. Okay. You want to walk with Mommy now? You walk with Mommy. I see it. Let's walk.
Come on, baby. Oh, come on. You can do it. You can do it.
Go! Go!
Good job. Good job.
Go!
Come on.
Go!
Come on, let's go.
Go! Go!
What do you see? What do you see? Let's go.
Go!
Yeah.
Those are there for a reason.
He thinks he's going to turn the light off. Come on. Let's go. Keep walking.
Good job, Isaac.
Good job, baby. Yay. Can you clap? Yay. Oh. Yeah. Hi, what do you want to do now? What do you want to do now? You want to keep walking? Oh, he bumped his nose. What? Isaac. What's wrong? Isaac, what do you want to do? What do you want to do now? Yay! Yay! Okay, wave bye to everybody. Can you wave bye? Bye. Isaac. Isaac, are you hungry? Isaac. Are you hungry? You hungry? That's right. That? You want that? It's almost time to eat. Isaac. Isaac, is it time to eat? Eat? That's right. That's right. That's the sign for eat. Are you hungry? Sometimes he rubs his belly when you say hungry. Okay. Okay. Say bye, Winter. Bye, kitty kitty. Bye, kitty kitty.